Spotfire Enterprise bundles all the Spotfire and Statistica Server component into one product. Spotfire Server, Automation Services, Statistics Services, Spotfire Consumer, and Statistica Server. Spotfire 14.6 LTS adds new capabilities that simplify administration, enhance automation, and streamline enterprise deployment. And these improvements makes it easier for IT and administrators to scale Spotfire securely and efficiently across large organizations. Since Spotfire 14.0 LTS, we have been having updates of the Spotfire server components with every releases, always adding modern database supports, being certified for latest enterprise databases, evolving the platform for modern enterprise security, adding OAuth, encryption, secured authentication support everywhere in the product. We are making license management much simpler. We have been making great improvements also in scheduling jobs, monitoring jobs. We have much more granularity when you schedule jobs, for instance, and you can be notified about their status, whether if an operation fails or succeed, you can be notified either via email or directly via an API that could, for instance, send it out to your preferred collaborations, for instance, in Teams. We have been adding APIs to manage the library, APIs to manage licenses, APIs to manage migrations of contents. And we are always also making sure to stay current with the latest OS updates. For administrators, we are updating our web administration interface with every release, making sure it's as easy as possible to use.